In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the most easiest method to import or transfer videos from your iPhone to your computer. So first of all, we have to connect our iPhone with our computer using the cable that comes with our iPhone or the cable we use to charge our iPhone. So all you have to need, connect your iPhone with your PC with the charging cable. Once you're successfully connected on your iPhone screen, here tap on allow and verify your iPhone passcode. And then on your computer, open the file explorer. In this left-hand menu, scroll down under this PC. Here you will find Apple iPhone. Click on that and go to iPhone internal storage. And here you will find all of your iPhone folders. Now just go to the folder which folder contains the video and you can click here to make the thumbnail large, just like this. Okay, now scroll down and find out the video, which video you want to import to your PC. So this is the video I'm gonna share. You can just copy the video by pressing Ctrl C, or you can right click on the video and click on copy. Once you successfully copied the specific video, now just go to your computer storage where you want to store the video and go to a folder and press Ctrl V to paste the video, or you can click on this paste icon, or you can right click here and you can click on paste. And we can see the video is now copying from my iPhone to my computer. And here we can see the video successfully imported. And if you want to copy or import multiple videos from your iPhone to your PC, just select a video, then hold down the Control key and go ahead and select multiple videos, and you can just follow the same process to copy or import videos to your PC. Thanks for watching.